will discuss combination. A combination is an arrangement of objects in which order does not matter. Since the order does not matter in combinations, there are fewer combinations than permutations. The combination is just a subset of permutation. Since we all know what permutation is, this lesson will be much easier for us. The number of distinct combinations of n distinct objects that can be formed taking them r at a time is this formula: n factorial divided by r factorial multiplied to quantity of n minus r factorial. Let's have this example. 3 members of 5-person committee must be chosen to form a subcommittee. How many different subcommittees could be formed? So remember, the order is not important in this example. So just substitute values. We'll get 5 factorial over 3 factorial times quantity of 5 minus 3 factorial. So 5 factorial means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 factorial is 2 times 1. Before proceeding to the next step, we may simplify this fraction by cancelling 3 times 2 times 1 in the numerator as well as the denominator. So we may get 5 times 4 over 2 times 1, which is also 20 divided by 2, which will give us 10. That means there are 10 different subcommittees that can be formed from this 5-person committee. Next example. In how many ways can 12 players be selected from 20 men who tried out for the basketball team? So again, you just substitute the given values to the formula. So we have 20 factorial over 12 factorial times 20 minus 12 factorial. So you may use your calculator, by the way. If you're done, check if we have the same answer. 125,970. Now you may try this on your own. A basketball team consists of 2 centers, 5 forwards, and 4 guards. In how many ways can the coach select a starting lineup of 1 center, 2 forwards, and 2 guards? Now first thing, you may consider dealing with the center position first, then the forward position, then the guard position. First, for the center position, you have 2 options, but you must choose one. So you'll have 2 factorial over 1 factorial times 1 factorial, which is equal to 2. For the forward position, you have 5 choices, but you must choose 2. So you'll get 5 factorial over 2 factorial times 3 factorial, which will give you 10. And for the guard position rather, you have 4 options, but you must choose 2. So you have 4 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial, then you get 6. Now to get the final answer, you have to multiply these combinations to each other so that you get the number of ways to select the starting lineup is 2 times 10 times 6, you get 120. There are 120 ways for you to select the starting lineup from this pool of players from your basketball team. That's all for this video. I hope you learned something from this. Thank you for listening.